Hey, ladies and gents. I hope everyone's doing well. Today you should have read chapter 21 and then a part of chapter 22. And as you finish your work, I would like you to come into your packets and you'll find this page called Wolf Hollow and Figurative Language. The directions here say identify each example of figurative language from the story, simile, metaphor, personification, or an idiom. Now, this should be pretty darn easy because we've been talking about this all year during Spiral Review. But if you're still confused about any of these different terms or forms of figurative language, I have attached a YouTube video that you can rewatch. It's about 4 or 5 minutes long. And it also touches on hyperbole as well, which we've been talking about during our spiral review as well. So today I'm going to walk you through, we'll just do the first couple and then you're going to do the rest on your own. They want us to first identify each example of figurative language from the story and then write if it is a simile, metaphor, personification, or an idiom. So the first one here says, the whole world a screaming brawl. So if I was working on this one, I would underline or circle a screaming brawl. And I can't seem to do that with the, let's see if I can. Yes, a screaming brawl, except do it better than I just did. And then when I think about what type of figurative language this is, it does seem to be comparing me to, the whole world to a screaming brawl, but it's not using like or as. So on the line here, I would write metaphor. And you can tell that I'm using my mouse and I'm not doing the best job, but you have the benefit of having this in paper. So you can use your paper and pencil to do this and to work through it. Now, if you've lost your packet, if you've lost any of it, then you do need to download this. I do have a link in this assignment as well where you download it and put it into your notes, write it out, take a screenshot and submit it that way. Let's do one more. I felt like a pinwheel surrounded by whir and clatter. So here I hear them comparing myself or I to like a pinwheel surrounded by whir or clatter. So that I would say is a simile because it's using like or as. Simile. Let's do one more together before I cut you loose. Number 3 is a very short sentence, a catalog of lies. Well, let's think about that. I can't really have a catalog or a book that is filled with lies. I guess you could write down a bunch of lies, but typically when we use this expression, a catalog of lies, it is an idiom. And this idiom would simply mean just a ton of lies, one lie after another lie. Okay, so that is the assignment for today. The expectation is that you will have this done when you come to class tomorrow. So if you don't finish during class time today, I do want you to work on it during Packer time and make sure that you have it submitted. I hope you're having a great day. We'll check in with you later.